We are starting with 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese, and right away we're just gonna come in and throw in some spinach right inside there, you guys. I'm using fresh spinach, but if you used frozen, use a whole bag. Next, you wanna dump in some artichoke hearts. Wow, those look absolutely tasty. And we're gonna add a little bit of white onion to that. Look at all that flavor, you guys. We're gonna top it with some mozzarella cheese. And then here we have a little bit of mayonnaise. Go ahead and take, I'm gonna scoop out about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise right here on top. Okay, just a little bit more. That looks great. And now I'm going to add some sour cream. Oh, look at that, I had a whole new container. I didn't even know that that was brand new. So let's open that bad boy up right there, okay? And we will add in about 1/2 cup of sour cream right there on top. Oh, this spinach dip is out of this world amazing, you guys. If you want to get fancy with measuring everything up, that's fine, but really, it is always so tasty. I'm gonna add just a little bit of milk on top. You don't need too much, only about, I don't know, 1/4, even less. Okay, so we got that all going on now, you guys. What I'm gonna do is to make this really easy, I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Everything's gonna start to melt, and then stick around because we have more to come. All right, you guys, you can tell that our dip here is warming up. Ooh, and it's smelling so good, that garlic and all of that good stuff in there. Oh, this is hot. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hold on to it, and I'm just gonna start to stir all of that together. So now you just wanna make sure that you mix all of that up. So good. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious, you guys, and easy to throw together for parties. I don't know, I'm thinking football Sunday, or really just any type of a gathering. You could, of course, always make a smaller portion, but this way, dump it, bake it, good to go. Once you have that all mixed up, you'll bring some mozzarella cheese back in, and you're gonna sprinkle that all over the top, because who doesn't love extra cheesiness in our spinach and artichoke dip? I can see these artichokes just popping out, and they look so good. I love when they're big and chunky like that. Okay, now we're gonna grab some Parmesan cheese, and we're just gonna put that over the top. Ooh, this is gonna cook. It's gonna give a crispy, kind of a golden brown crust on the top, and it is just going to be super, super tasty. All right, you guys, that looks great. That's it now. All we're gonna do is pop this back in the oven, and we're gonna cook it at 350 for 25 more minutes, and bon appetit. All right, here it is, the moment I've been waiting for, because I am starving. Look at that golden brown top from that Parmesan cheese. That's exactly the way that I wanted it. Oh, I am digging into this. See, I have some tortilla chips. How do you say it?
Tostitos.
Oh, Tostitos. That was way
Tortilla
out.
chips.
I was thinking tortilla, and I was trying to say tostita or whatever you say. I don't know. Yes, look at all of that creaminess. Oh my goodness. It's steaming hot. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna do a little mom blow. Not mambo, mom blow. That's what you do to your kids when their food is hot. Wow. That is absolutely delicious. The cream cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise, the cheese, the artichoke, the spinach. Look, I want it all in there, guys. This is so delicious. What a great idea. Football Sunday party. I don't know, you name it. You tell me, what are you gonna make this for? We'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any twists on ideas you would change up with it, and we'll see you guys later.